Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the current view of astronomy. I am saying like the science is wrong, the way it looks. So in each video I cut from other videos and I comment. So from Brian Green, World Science Festival, the channel, Brian's Green channel. If you know who he said so about gravity. Gravity is light. So he asked that what gravity is because surely he doesn't know. So look.
Gravity, the most pervasive force in the universe, the force that it shapes stars and galaxies, gives rise to the expansion of the universe, gives rise to understandings of cosmology and so forth. And as most of the audience for the series of discussions that we've had over the course of months and years really is at least partly familiar, it's Einstein's general theory of relativity that gives us our most refined description of the force of gravity.
So Brian Green, this is the way I made the videos. I comment who takes on something science like space, cosmos, universe. You cannot see the universe, only a sphere. That it is our galaxy. Okay, C, you see C squared is in on Einstein formulas. He mentioned that is most refined that we have about gravity. Gravity is light, okay, but the light does not have any certain speed, and how they say that the empty space void, it is not, it's filled with light. Light does not have any certain energy. It is energy, it is the electron makes all the connection and the left. So you see the constant of the speed of light, meters per second, like this, or kilometers per second. You see, I'm going to prove to you that light does not have a certain speed. You see, meters per second, kilometers per second. You see, space over time, like this. But I'm going to prove to you that does not has any speed. So because this occurs in all Einstein formulas, mc square, the speed of light square, and gravity, the gravity one, because it's the first time propagation of waves wireless. Okay, the gravity one has a c of 4 power, okay. So proving that the speed of light does not I proved that Einstein is wrong. Okay, so in an easy manner, you see in these sticks of memory sticks, I have 250 gigabytes. You write pictures of movie with light, and the light does not go like crazy like this, and you do not write electrons because you have you deal with movies you see with the eyes you see light. So 250 gigabytes, like 15 days of if you watch it non-stop, like movies non-stop, 15 days. Okay, so write with light. Imagine that the next guy that will be interviewed by Brian Grease was the mass of the electron. Okay, I was going to tell you this argument after I said what he says. Okay, so you see, this paper, you cannot deny that it contains light. Inside the paper there is light. So the light does not go with meters per second, 300,000 kilometers, that to say it goes through the paper like this with 300,000 kilometers per second. Okay, and you do not believe that it contains light. The paper contains light, you see. So the light does not have any speed before I released it. So this is a simple argument. So watch it, the next guy is saying about quantum mechanics, and they do not know what gravity is. Okay, and from Amsterdam. Okay, so the young boys go and smoke and go red district, and you are bullshitting with this quantum mechanics and string theory, and you do not know what gravity is. So I will tell you, gravity is like, okay, watch this guy with what is the mass of the electron, calculated the string theory. So look.
And I think we are indeed at a breakthrough moment where we're going to indeed understand the gravitational force in its connection with quantum mechanics in a fundamentally new way. And then it may be that we are going to be connecting indeed to observations in our universe, in the cosmology and so on. So, but this may be something that's, well, at this moment still around the corner, but I think we're moving in that direction. So I don't think that string theory is totally failed and so on. Maybe the initial promises of being able to predict, say, the mass of the electron and all of that, that we cannot sort of, well, claim that we will be doing. But that's not the only thing that came out of string theory. And I think there's still, as I said, many of things that will come out of string theory even in the future.
Okay, that guy Verlinde, dude, or something. Verlinde, okay, listen up, dude. You are tricking the young guys in your country. We are reciting a bad poem. Like, you see, light is contained in this paper, okay? I will burn my house. Okay. And the light does not have any speed before I release it. In a controlled manner, burns, you see, so it's not goes the speed of light through the paper, and it is stored there and it's not have any energy. You see, it's not like electroshock me when I touch it. Although the touch and all the senses are made with light, you see, you sense it, you see, some tones of light. And Mendeleev chart, the electron does not exist. He wonders what's the mass of the electron if they could calculate this through the string theory. You see this? You see, if you pour a movie like this, like water, through 15 hours of movies, you see, and you pour electrons with mass or something with mass, you see they will collide. In controlled manner, you put pictures like this, in a pile like this in here. So you put light and does not have any mass. Okay, mass is created in a waved in a field. So, but this field of light is not produced by the Earth. So I've told you. Okay, we can go here. We can go. This is a simple star, a cloud on the border or walls of our galaxy. That is a sphere. We can go here in our current day, and all the connections in Mendeleev are done with light. Okay, the planets do not produce this field. Jupiter, Mars, Venus only receives it, like Earth. The mass does not produce gravity, attraction, or what do you say? Okay, it receives this light. Okay, and only and okay, produced by the board of our galaxy. This is the video. This is the way I make the videos. Like, share, and subscribe. The science is wrong. We can go to the planets now and to the stars even, because they are close. Okay, goodbye. God bless.